guys, I'm Michaela and welcome back to Cute DIYs. Yes, that is the name I chose for my channel. Pretty quick, like I told you. So today I was thinking, if I could just find it, we're gonna make like a, like a wolf mask. Here it is. So we are gonna make a wolf mask. It is a good thing for like any type of event. So what you'll need is a marker or like whatever suits you best, scissors, one piece of paper, and a flat surface to press on. So I've already traced the face of the wolf, so we can get this speeded up. So now, you need scissors. Just let me remind you that. Here they are. And today I am going to be using pattern scissors. So you must cut it out and be very careful not to tear it, or it will just be ruined. So in the second video today, if I get time, we are going to be doing a panda mask. And later on in my videos, I'll hopefully get to make DIY slime. So as you can see, I'm nearly done with cutting the wool. Then we just need to go on for decorating. Oh yes, and don't forget, you're going to need to cut the eyes out for the wool. And here it is. Pretty pattern, isn't it? Okay, so now you must choose which side of the wolf you want to use. For this, I am going to use the part where you can see the marker. So then you must take your marker. Take your marker. Sorry, having a little trouble with my tablet. Then you must take your marker and design it. For this, I am going to be using the wolf mask, of course, to trace the bits, like the eyes, the things like that. So you can do the eyes, whatever shape you want, big, small, round, square, octagon, maybe even if you like octagons. Yeah. Okay, so subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. And I've seen that 7 people watched my intro video. So there's 7 viewers, people, whatever, who watched my intro video. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. So as you can see, I drew the eyes, tried to draw them evenly, but it was hard. So you can make whatever type of nose you want. So this is gonna be my nose. It's not the best drawing. Kind of looks like a pig, but it's my best drawing of a wolf. So now you must decorate the ears and something like that. You can make the ears dotty, or for this wolf it will be a girl, and I've put a cute little bow on. So now we need to cut the eyes out so it can be something like a mask, so you can see through. So for this, you must bend your paper, then take your scissors and cut the middle like that. Then you must just cut your way out. Yeah, it's very hard with pattern scissors. Can't find my other scissors, but this is the only scissors I have for my wolf mask. So as you can see, well, okay, nearly done. Okay, this is my best. So then you must cut the next eye out. I'm not gonna decorate this. I'm gonna let you guys decorate it and tell me what your wolf mask looks like in the comment section down below. I don't know if my tablet can see the comments, but I think I should be able to see them. So if I can just get these scissors off and So I hope you guys will like this video. And I am just a new YouTuber, 10 years old, like I said in my intro video, and I'm just trying my best to do DIY. So as you can see, I am done with the eyes. Ta-da! And now to like, you know, keep your mask on, you'll need like half of your paper. But for this, or you can use string, but for this I'm going to use the string from my wolf mask. So if I can like, you know, just get this off and things like that. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring glue, which is another thing you need to bring. Or you can use sellotape. Sellotape would be the best thing. Then, you know, you would like just glue it, like glue it like there. Then glue the other strip to the same place, but like next to it. Like, hold on, let me try and show you. This is very hard. Like this, if you can see. Then since I have no glue, I'll try my best to put it on. So, like that. Rawr. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of cute DIYs. And in the next video, we will be doing a panda mask. Be sure to subscribe and join my cute DIYs channel. Bye!